She can only pause.
It's a poop goal, guys. Poop goal.
It's a poop goal.
She went up. Okay. She went up. Yeah. Oh.
Whoa!
Yeah.
O'Reilly. Bang!
What's
No.
Amir, why can't you score now?
I'm now gonna score.
Guys, the score is 2-1, 2-1. O'Reilly almost with the hat-trick. And it's O'Reilly on the goal.
And it's O'Reilly.
Do the chicken, do the chicken.
doing it? Doing it?
1, 2, 3. Goal.
Hat-trick by O'Reilly.
Because he's the best player in the world. Is there anyone?